This one is a popular one. We will use a four-hole diatonic harmonica we will be playing with, or instead you can use a chromatic harmonica like this one. Okay, it's really bigger than it's really big compared to the other one. Both are okay to play. Okay, let's go. One, two, three. You did it. Well, this is the last melody from this ebook I've been doing. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you can share it with your family, your friends. Um, just give me a comment or tell me how did you feel playing everything. So a big hug for you. Woo! You did it. Okay. So remember, treat yourself with love, listen to what you are playing, and enjoy your instrument. Okay. See ya.